What do, YouTube? Back at you again with the same video, just a little update. So as you see, I knocked all the ribbons out, coming all the way down. This is where I'm gonna stop it, and I'm gonna cut all the way across. I'm gonna show you. This is where I stopped it, and I'm gonna just cut all the way across and come all the way up to that jam, and I'm gonna round it off as it is in the curve up here. But this is where I'm gonna clean everything else up. As long as I didn't hurt this pretty much, I'm good. And all this is still good as far as the jam of it. I'm gonna clean it up some more, and I'm gonna take the chisels and things and knock all that up till I get to where I wanted it, and then I'm gonna take this. This wheel here, this all I have right now, and I'm gonna cut across. I'm cutting the jam as in a circle all the way around and get to where I need to be. As far as everything, I'm gonna get it to where I need to be, and then I'm gonna take my new floorboard. I'm gonna drill holes in the spot wheel, and then when I get ready to spot weld it back down, I'm gonna just hit it where the holes at. That's where the spot wheel is gonna be at. Then I can get some seam sealer and seal it all the way around, because it wasn't welded as I was knocking. The floorboard was welded, but it wasn't welded in the seam. So all I need to do is do exactly how it was from the factory, which is spot weld. Drill the spot welds out, lay the new floor down, tack it in and hit the spot welds. I'm gonna drill a hole in the new floor. So just say for instance, this is my new floor. I'm gonna take it, drill holes through this and the floor to clear these holes here. So when I come back, I can line it up and spot weld where the holes was, and I can leave it at that. And this is actually, I think, 16 gauge, and I decided to go with 22 gauge. And before like I said on the other video, before I actually lay the floor down, I'm going to lay the grooves in the floor. I'm gonna find somebody with a bead roller and roll it myself if they let me, if they want to charge me or whatever. But I'm gonna lay it down myself, just like that. Yeah, that's actually a perfect fit for what I was trying to do, because like I said, it's not rusted right here. So if I cut it, that'd be a perfect fit for what I was trying to do. I just had to go get another piece. And actually up here, I would have to shave the top off for the circular part in this curve here. So that right there, I'll shave it as far as the new metal, shave it and test fit it and lay it down now. But as far as this right here, as far as that right there, that's actually a perfect fit for what I was trying to do. So I guess I have to go buy some more 16 gauge. And I actually want to price a bead roller, and I really need a welder, but I'm trying to go the cheap route without having to use a lot of things, spending a lot of money for things that I might not use again, just put it that way. So for a welder and a bead work or roller, I might not use that again, but for, motor aspect, I need everything I can use on a motor aspect, because that's what my pride and joy is. It's in the motor. But I'm not gonna half step this. I'm gonna knock this off right here. I'm gonna knock that off. And it's actually starting to rain here in Memphis. But hey, it's either here or there, Y'all see the whole floorboard moving, so Let me get y'all a bit closer on here. It's ready to come up, so it is what it is. And I'm gonna give you a preview of the other side again. Preview of the other side. Just take your time with it, slowly but surely. You got a big sheet metal. What I did on this side, as you can see, just take the new piece. I'm actually gonna do it how I showed you the first time, which is this out the way. Let me take it, just lay it down there like this. Lay it like that right there. And I'm gonna have to cut it a little bit right there to get the end evened up like that right there. And I'm gonna spot weld it in. I have to clear that out a little bit, clean that up a little bit more. If I have to weld another piece in there, that's what I do. But, let me see. So you see what I'm talking about. So right here, where I was saying I might have to clean up a little bit more. That's what I do. But other than that, this is the main piece. Knock the spot wheels out on this side too. Knock them spot wheels out, going all the way up, so you see what up. I think it's leaking in here, but I'm really not sure. But when I get through with this, I know in just a minute. So what I'm gonna do? Clean all this up some more. Bag it out. Clean all this up some more. Clean all that up some more. Clean it all up. Clean it all up and just get ready to lay the floors down. See, I cleaned all that, so letting it know it's just that was just surface rust. All that was surface rust. So I'm gonna drill these spot holes out all the way. 1, 2, 3. And I'm gonna actually drill these out. Or I might just take the chisel and just chisel them up. Stick the floor up under it, drill it, lay the floor back down and spot weld it in like it was. But the car is fixable. That's all I can tell you. I'm gonna undercoat it. And for down here, what I'm gonna do, for this little corner here, I'm gonna take it back some more. Or I might just cut this little piece out, hit it with that spot weld right there. Cut this little piece out and replace the spot weld the back end. Keep me a little wool. Matter of fact, that'd be. Yeah, that's all. Working one step at a time. Floorboard first. All that's solid. It's just surface rust on it. And see, for these little holes where pinholes that was rusted through, I'm gonna drill them out. And I'm gonna try to take a little hole. I'm gonna spot weld. I want all metal. So I'm gonna drill them out till we get to the good metal. I'm gonna drill it out. I'm gonna look at all this. I'm gonna sand it down. I'm gonna look at all this. So if I have to cut this out, that's what I'll do. If I have to cut any of this out, that's what I'll do. But for us now, I'm gonna drill it out and try to spot weld it in. And then, like I said, I'm gonna rhino line it under it. Once cause I am gonna take. See, I'm working kind of backwards, man. But they say the lesser you don't work on your stuff, the less progress you're gonna do. So I actually want to take the frame off and get the subframe powder coated. But right now, while I'm trying to build my money back up, I'm gonna just do what I can do as far as both sides. That's ready to come up, but I got this up. I was just showing you all the process. So I can either take it like that. Spot weld it in, sand it down.